So guys, if you haven't already, then I recommend getting an Ethernet cable. This is the single best way to reduce your ping when gaming or just in general. You can get one on Amazon or eBay. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties. And now once we're here, you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to select obtain an IP address automatically, and now under it you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. Right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.